Let's make a rosette on a clip. You need a 3.5-inch square piece of felt, a cool shot hot glue gun, and a clip. First, round the edges on your piece of felt. We're using Merino wool blend felt here. Then you're going to cut a spiral, and the spiral is very easy to cut. You're going to want to keep about 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch of felt all around. Next, fold your scrap piece of felt to make the leaf. Make sure the fold is facing your hand that is holding the felt. Rose leaves have a little cute tip at the top. Your rose leaves don't need to be identical. And you're going to cut straight up for about the 1st inch. You'll cut straight up and then go to the side and then enter back in and make that cute little tip. Put your glue down half of the leaf and then give it a good smush at the top. You're going to fold right over your line of glue. Here, we'll do that again. Put your line of glue down the middle, fold it, and then squish at the top. This will give the top of the leaf some dimension. All right. Now, it's really important to use a cool shot hot glue gun as you start to roll up your rosette. Otherwise, you will burn yourself. Please, please use cool shot hot glue. If your hot glue gun is making strings, you can wipe them off at the bottom of the rosette because that is not going to show. All right, so we're at the point where we can start to pull a bit as we wrap. And you can see the rose fabric wants to roll over, but don't let it. You could roll it over later. All right, and then that bit at the bottom gets wrapped around the bottom. And then you can do some string control and move any strings that you want. Okay, at this point, you're gonna put the leaves on the clip so that you're covering all the hardware. And you can trim, which I'm doing right now. Now test out a spot for your rose. Ooh, that looks good right there. So I'm gonna squiggle things around until I found a good spot for my rosette where I feel like it looks cute. Okay, and then I am gluing the rosette down. I'm folding some of the leaves over, the petals over, and gluing them a bit. Hey, if you enjoyed making this, I've got affiliate links at the bottom so you can buy the same products that I'm using. I get a little commission from Amazon if you do this. And all right. Hey, you're basically done. Great job.